Hey everyone, this is my new scrapping little office. It's probably like a 12 by 10, 12 by 12 or something. Real dirty right now, I just moved in. I gotta get everything set up. This is the place I'm gonna be scrapping. Got some copper. More copper. Brass. Some CBMs. Cans. Some aluminum. I just finished scrapping the coffee maker. It's been real cold, so I ain't having out here doing no scrapping. Some coil. Gotta take all the ends off of there. Bag full of wires. I don't know what this thing is. Some brass. Some more brass. These small. I used to scrap my brother's garage. He had a big garage, but there's more than enough room to do anything. So I just wanted to take a minute to show y'all where I'm gonna be scrapping that now. Thanks for watching.